Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading your Gacha PNGs, character rigs, and background into one Alight Motion project. This saves time later. Once imported, set the canvas to 16, 9 for YouTube or 9, 16 for short-form vertical. Next, group layers. Place characters above backgrounds and keep audio on its own layer so you can mute or trim quickly. Make sure to enable timeline snapping and set frame rate to 30 FPS. These first steps make animation smoother and keep everything organized for the next phase. Now animate. Select a character layer and add keyframes for position, scale, rotation, and opacity to create movement. Once keyframes are placed, apply easing. Use ease in for starts and ease out for stops. Custom Bezier handles snappy or fluid motion. Make sure to add markers on the timeline every 0.5 to 1 second to match beats in your audio so gestures hit on cue. Also use parent/child relationships for props so arm and hand movement move together. This middle stage builds believable gacha acting. Finish by enhancing visuals. Add motion blur to fast moves, a subtle drop shadow for depth, and a color grade layer to unify tones. Apply effects sparingly to avoid lag. Once satisfied, export as MP4 with H.264 at 1080p and 30 FPS, checking bitrate to balance quality and file size. If frames disappear during playback, clear the cache and re-import problem assets. If playback is choppy, lower preview resolution or disable complex effects temporarily. These final steps get your gacha piece ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.